Hello everyone, welcome back to Zakaria Robotic channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're diving into an incredible technological breakthrough, the creation of a fully flexible wearable computer using multi-material 3D printing technology. Imagine wearing a computer that bends, stretches, and moves naturally with your body while still performing powerful computing tasks. This futuristic concept is becoming a reality thanks to major advances in additive manufacturing, flexible electronics, and smart materials. In this video, we will explore how these wearable computers are designed, how they work, the challenges engineers face, and how they could transform the future of technology. Let's get started. Multi-material 3D printing is an advanced manufacturing process that allows a printer to use several different materials within a single object. Instead of printing only rigid plastic, engineers can combine flexible polymers, conductive materials, and protective layers in one continuous manufacturing process. This capability makes it possible to create complex electronic devices with built-in circuits, sensors, and structural components. By integrating multiple functions into a single print, manufacturers can reduce assembly time and produce highly customized wearable devices. Creating a flexible wearable computer begins with a carefully designed digital model. Engineers must determine where flexible sections are needed, where electronic components should be placed, and how the device will fit comfortably on the user's body. Special software helps designers simulate bending, stretching, and daily movement to ensure durability. The final design often includes flexible joints, embedded wiring, paths, and sensor locations that allow the device to maintain performance even under constant movement. One of the most impressive aspects of multi-material 3D printing is the ability to integrate electronics directly into the printed structure. Conductive materials can form electrical pathways that replace traditional wires, while flexible substrates support sensors and microcontrollers. This approach reduces the need for separate electronic assemblies and helps create thinner, lighter devices. As a result, wearable computers become more comfortable and practical for everyday use while maintaining advanced functionality. Flexible wearable computers have enormous potential in healthcare and fitness. These devices can continuously monitor heart rate, body temperature, movement, and other important health metrics because they conform closely to the body. They can often collect more accurate data than rigid devices. Athletes may use them to track performance during training sessions, while medical professionals could use them to monitor patients remotely and detect health issues before they become serious. Beyond healthcare, flexible wearable computers can assist workers in demanding environments. Technicians, engineers, and factory employees could wear lightweight computer systems that provide real-time information directly on the body. Sensors integrated into the wearable device could monitor environmental conditions, worker safety, and equipment performance. This technology may improve productivity while reducing the need to carry bulky electronic equipment throughout the workday. Despite its promise, developing a fully flexible wearable computer is not without challenges. Engineers must ensure that electronic circuits remain reliable after thousands of bending cycles. Battery technology remains another major obstacle because most batteries are still relatively rigid compared to flexible printed materials. Additionally, manufacturers must address durability, waterproofing, heat management, and long term comfort before these devices can become widely available to consumers. One of the most important areas of research for reliable computers is flexible power technology. Traditional batteries are often rigid and can limit the flexibility of a reliable device. To solve this problem, researchers are developing bendable batteries, stretchable energy storage materials, and even systems that can generate power from body movement or heat. These innovations could allow future wearable computers to operate for longer periods while remaining lightweight and comfortable. As power systems become more flexible and efficient, wearable computers will become more practical for everyday use. Multi-material 3D printing can also contribute to more sustainable manufacturing practices because 3D printers build objects layer by layer. They often produce less waste than traditional manufacturing methods. Engineers are also exploring recyclable and biodegradable materials for future wearable devices. In addition, on demand production can reduce transportation needs and excess inventory, helping lower environmental impact. As the technology continues to mature, sustainability may become one of the key advantages of manufacturing wearable computers through advanced 3D printing techniques. As material science and 3D printing technology continue to improve, fully flexible wearable computers are expected to become more powerful and affordable. Future devices may feature flexible displays, advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, and energy harvesting systems that reduce the need for traditional charging. Researchers are even exploring smart clothing that could function as a complete computing platform, blending seamlessly into everyday life. These innovations could transform how humans interact with technology in the coming decades. Development of fully flexible reliable computers through multi-material 3D printing represents a major step forward in the evolution of personal technology. By combining flexibility, comfort, and advanced functionality, these devices have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, fitness, industry, and everyday computer. While technical challenges remain, ongoing research continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning about the future of wearable technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zakaria Robotic channel for more exciting technology and innovation content. See you in the next video.